Hello dear friends, let's learn ABC.
This is letter A and its sound is A. A for apple, A for apple, A, 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 A apple, A apple, A for ant, A for ant, A, 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 A for ant, A for ant, A, 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 E for ant, E for ant, E for ankle, E for ankle, A, 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 ankle. Letter A and its sound is A.
Hello, I am letter D and my sound is D. D for duck, D, duck. D for dog, D, dog. D for drum, D, drum. D for deer, D, deer. D for dinosaur, D, dinosaur. D for door, D, door. Very nice. Let's sing poem of letter D. That's how we will recognize the things that starts with letter D. D for duck, D, duck. D for duck, D, duck. D for dog, D, dog. D for dog, D, dog. D for drum, D, drum. D for drum, D, drum. Dum, drum, D, drum. D for deer, D, deer. D for deer, D, deer. D for dinosaur, D, dinosaur. D for dinosaur, D, dinosaur. D for door, D, door. D for door, D, door. Hello, I am letter E and my sound is eh. E for eyes, eh, eyes. E for eagle, eh, eagle. E for elephant, eh, elephant. E for egg, eh, egg. E for envelope, eh, envelope. Would you like to sing poem of E with me? Okay, let's sing. E for elbow, eh, elbow. E for ears, eh, ears. E for eyes, eh, eyes. E for eyes, eh, eyes. E for eagle, eh, eagle. E for elephant, eh, elephant. E for egg, eh, egg. E for envelope, eh, envelope. I hope you have enjoyed learning letter E and its sounds with the picture. Hello, I am letter F and my sound is F for frog, frog. F for fork, fork. F for French fries, French fries. F for fan, fan. F for fish, fish. F for frog, frog. F for fig, fig. Let's sing poem of F. Let's start. F for frog, f, f, f. F for fork, f, f, f. F for fork, f, f, f. F for French fries, f, f, f. F for fan, f, f, f. F for fish, f, f, f. F for fish, f, f, f. F for frog, f, f, f. F for fig, f, f, f. Hello my little naughty friends. I am letter G and my sound is G. G for grapes. G, grapes. G for gloves. G, gloves. G for gate. G, gate. G for goat. G, goat. G for glass. G, glass. G for gorilla. G, gorilla. G for guitar. G, guitar. Would you like to sing Poem of G with me? Okay, let's sing together. Poem of G. Let's start. G for grapes. G, g, grapes. G for gloves. G, g, gloves. G for gate. G, g, gate. G for goat. G, g, goat. G for glass. G, g, glass. G for gorilla. G, g, gorilla. G for guitar. G, g, guitar. G for guitar. G, g, guitar.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
I hope that you have enjoyed the poem and recognized letter E with its sounds and the pictures that it starts with. We will be back with new videos. Till then, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.